Namaskar and Salam. In this video, we will take the letters Choti He and Do Chashmi He. The first letter Choti He represents her sound and letter in Hindi. Choti He also has 4 different forms: detached, initial, medial, and the final forms, and they all are different in shape. Here in this table, the first one is detached Choti He, as you find in the alphabet sheet. It looks like a round circle, but it is a bit different in handwriting. This is the initial form and this is the medial form. Here in this picture, you can see that the green circle shows where the previous letter will be attached and the red circle shows where the next letter will be attached to Choti He. And the final form is totally different from the rest of the forms. Let's now take the words with Choti He. The first word is hum, the first person plural subject pronoun, we in English. Here Choti He comes as an initial letter. The spelling is Choti He plus mim, hum, hum. So you write the initial form of the Choti He and connect it with the final form of the letter mim. So Choti He plus mim, hum, hum. The second word is behen. Here Choti He comes as a medial letter. It comes in between be and noon. The spelling is be plus Choti He plus noon, behen, behen. So you write the initial form of be and then connect it to the medial form of Choti He and then connect the medial form of Choti He with the final form of noon. So be plus Choti He plus noon, behen, behen. The third word is yah, the third person singular demonstrative pronoun meaning this. It also means he, she, it, and they in Urdu as third person proximal pronouns. Here Choti He comes as the final letter. The spelling is Choti Ye plus Choti He, yah, yah. So you write the initial form of Choti Ye that has 2 nuktas below and then the final forms of the Choti He. We haven't learned the forms of Choti and Badi Ye, so you can ignore the first letter here and just pay attention to Choti He at the end, how it is written tilting the stroke downwards. So Choti Ye plus Choti He, yah, yah. And the last word is vah, meaning that. It also means he, she, it, and they in Urdu. We have taken it in the last video that explains vav. Here we take it to show how detached Choti He is written. The spelling is vav plus Choti He. Choti He will not be connected to vav because vav is non-connector. So vav plus Choti He, vah, vah. Let's now take all the words with Choti He together. The first one is hum, where Choti He comes in the initial form. The second word behen has Choti He in the middle. The third word yah has Choti He as the final letter. And at the end you have vah, in which Choti He comes as a detached letter. Let's now take the Do Chashmi He. The letter Do Chashmi He does not have a sound. It is used to aspirate the stop consonants. We had a little glimpse of the use of Do Chashmi He in the video on Bay group. Here we take it in a little more details. The only function of Do Chashmi He in the standard Urdu is to aspirate the stop consonants. Before we go into details, let's see how Do Chashmi He is connected with the letters before and after. The shape of Do Chashmi He is more or less the same in all 4 forms. It is all about where the previous letter and the following letter will be connected. So here you can see in the picture, the green circle shows where the previous letter will be connected and the red circle shows where the following letter will be connected. Let's now see how the aspirate consonants will be formed in Urdu. Here you have Kaf plus Do Chashmi He. It represents Kh sound and letter in Hindi. Similarly, Che plus Do Chashmi He is Chh. Pe plus Do Chashmi He is Pha, and Te plus Do Chashmi He is Tha, and so on. The Hindi aspirated letters Gh, Jh, Tha, Dha, Rh, Dha, and Bha will also be made in the similar way. Let's now take some words where the aspirated consonants come. The first word is Ghar, meaning home. The spelling is Gaf plus Do Chashmi He plus Re. Gaf and Do Chashmi He makes the Gh sound and letter in Hindi, and then you have Re. Ghar, ghar. The second word is khana, food. The spelling is kaf plus do chashmi hai plus alif plus noon plus alif. Kaf plus do chashmi hai makes kh sound and letter, and then alif adds a matra to make it kha. Then you have noon plus alif to make the na sound. Kha na, so khana. The final word is hath, where do chashmi hai is the last letter. The spelling is choti hai plus alif plus te plus do chashmi hai. Choti hai plus alif together make ha. Alif is the a matra in ha. Then te plus do chashmi hai makes th sound and letter. So ha, th, hath. Let's now take all the words with do chashmi hai together. The first one is ghar, where do chashmi hai makes gh sound out of gaf. The second word is khana, where do chashmi hai makes kh sound out of kaf. And in the last word hath, do chashmi hai makes th sound out of te. In our next video, we will take the letters choti ye and badi ye. We are skipping the letter hamza because it is more useful to take it after the choti and badi ye. The choti ye and badi ye represent ya sound and letter in Hindi. They also represent a and badi e matra in Hindi. We will take all of it in our next video. See you there. Namaskar and salam.